she hasn't done a video for ages, and she's done one with Callum. We met him in Spain a couple of months ago.
What we're going to do a prank where we go up to someone and we blow this horn. So right now we're going to test that out, but first we need to put our earmuffs in. Ready, Corey?
Yeah.
Off we go. So that's what it sounds like. Let's see how people will react.
Trying to scare people with an air horn.
We had some good reactions and some bad reactions, but we tried anyway. It's now time to say bye. Bye!
Bye!
Bye! End the one!